Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests about their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, reviews, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Room category 3. Category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Room category 7. Room category 10. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. Selfie card present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Some offers are available online for this hotel along with various benefits and policy. If you are planning to book it, you can use the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking or in this hotel, we will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.